Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fish oxygen machine at home. Gather a small air pump, tubing, an air stone, power source, and optional check valve. Start by testing pump output near the surface and adjusting tubing length. Place the air stone low in the tank and secure connections to prevent leaks. Monitor fish behavior and water parameters during the first hours to confirm adequate oxygenation. Collecting the right parts makes setup simple and reliable. Pick an air pump sized for your tank liters and fish count, flexible tubing that fits snugly, and an air stone that produces fine bubbles. Add a check valve to avoid backflow and an inline air control to regulate bubble rate. Assemble on a dry surface, test bubbles outside the tank briefly, then install and observe for steady, gentle aeration and quiet operation. Start assembly by connecting tubing to the pump and elevating the line to avoid water siphon. Fit the air stone at the tank bottom, hide tubing under decor, and fasten it so curious fish cannot dislodge it. Power the pump and fine-tune the inline control until bubbles softly ripple the surface, not blasting fish. Watch your fish for calm swimming and check dissolved oxygen if possible, making adjustments as needed for steady aeration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.